How to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, under the Who Can See Your Content tab, you will see the option for account privacy. Tap on that and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for allow profile picture expansion. And with this, people will not be able to zoom on your profile picture anymore. So this is how you can disable profile picture zoom on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.